2011 Haas VF-4 10,000 RPM quad auger system, wireless intuitive probing, air blast, and we're going to now run it through its cycle. Spindle is at 2,000 RPM. Four thousand? Yes. 4,000 RPM. 6,000? 8,000 RPM. 10,000 RPM, full RPM. Machine is in very good condition, has around 6,000 spindle hours. Vices do not come with sale of machine. 24 position sidearm tool changer. Shipping brackets are present. No dents on ZX's way covers, or quite frankly any of the way covers. Yep. Machine is in very good condition. Clean facility, single shift shop.